Welcome everyone to Motormobile. Today we have Neelooo with us, 2012 R1. We'll be working on our front brake pads. Stands are up. Now we're just gonna take the calipers off. Also, you wanna make sure you pump this extra oil out, and then we'll flush the lines. We are gonna start from the right one. For this, we have to loosen this up. Then you need, if you have your pump to bleed, just put it here. Then you gotta pump it. It should take the oil out. Then we have these two screws here. We'll take those out. It might drop some oil at the bottom, so we'll take this off. Okay, it's gonna drip some oil. It's okay. But I did pump the oil out, so it's not leaking much, like just tiny drops, it's a good idea if you can cover it with the tissue or something. Our rotor, this should come out. We will do the cleanup here, the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. We will pull them out. Take this pin out. 1, 2. So this will come out. This way. Just twist it around. Move it out. Ta-da. All brake pads will come out. This thing, we will clean it nicely, and then same thing with the other one. You have to take this out here, twist it around, come out, it's out. Then you have this piece, check this on the side. These are the all pads. Okay, so now we'll go and clean our caliper, nice and shiny, and the other components. Now we just gotta take this off. We have to unhook this one from here and this one from here. Now we got this out. We got this one, and this one comes out from here. Don't forget. We should be able to take it off. Okay. We'll take this hook to release one. Then this one has here. I'll take one to take it out. We'll have to take both of these out, so this can be released from here. This should come out. And these are done, ready, cleaned up and dried. Nice and clean. Now let's put them back together. We're gonna put these pads on this side, then these ones on the smaller one. Once this is in and aligned, you just have to rotate these lock holes around. Then we just add these pieces here, like that. Easy peasy. This one here. Okay. And then we need to add these two on this side. 1, 2, and then we'll attach this piece. Once this side is in, we just have to put these pins back in there. These lock pins. we'll have 4 of these, 1 2 3 4, and this should be a little bit tighter, not too much, because we will use this to pull the oil. It's clean, you know, and then just keep it closed. We'll set up for this side too. Okay, same thing. We'll put these big ones on the bigger side, small ones on the smaller side. So how I usually do is I put one, then I put this piece, then I put this one in there, align it just like that, and just push it through, and ta-da, it's in. For this side, the trick is you get one piece in, hold it there. This side you're gonna match it the way you need to put it. Then you just put this one there, and this goes in. Then the next piece, this part, you just put it in there. After putting, just have to align it. There you go, and you just twist it around, twist, and ta-da, inside. That's it. Now we're just gonna find these 2 holes, put this push pin locks in there. Alright, this is ready, that's ready. So we had to push our pistons in when we cleaned it. So right now you can see they are all the way back, and we'll just put them on. Have them pushed on the side, align with the rotor, just point to here, and ta-da, they are in. So for caliper screws, it's 35 millimeter. If you have your right, then this one will be 30. Repeating the same process on this side. You want to make sure your pads are pushed back. Okay. Just like that. Just go on. Okay. That's on. Just gotta move it out of the way. Align it nice. Then I'll put this one back up there, make sure it's aligned. I'll just point this one in like that. We have just finished screwing these in, 35, 30, and our next part, you want to make sure that your bleeder screws right here, these are like hand tied on, so you can easily open them and close them. We will flush the fluid from both sides one time each. We are using our Motul racing brake fluid. I'm just gonna dump it directly without the funnel thing. Should be pretty easy. You want to make sure you fill it up all the way to the top. Looks so nice right now. Once you have your pump ready, make sure the top cover is closed, your bleeder screw is a little bit open. Put this on top, start pumping with the other hand. We should see, there you go, you can see the oil come through. We want to keep going to make sure the whole thing is empty. Okay, once this is done, just take it off, hand tighten it. You can see we got the extraction out. Now we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, this looks good. Clean it up, then we'll tighten it. We repeated it on the other side too, so we just need to fill the oil, or we need to pump our brakes so the air bubbles can come up. But instead of pumping, we can just zip tie this, and so the air can come out if we leave the top open. I'll show you in a second. Just take a zip tie, push the brake in, just like that, leave it there. We will add some more oil and then leave it for quite a bit. I'll top it off, just like that, then leave it. We'll check back in some time to make sure the brake is all working properly. We'll see you later. Bye.